Good evening, UK. Me.
Hello, Lalit, and good evening to all the listeners and namaste. We are both very excited to be here, aren't we, Lalit? So
Yes,
we'll play not only songs, but we'll also talk about culture, traditions, and heritage of our unique territory of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm from Kashmir, as Lalit just said, and as you know, Kashmir is a beautiful valley with full of flowers and lots of hills and lots of lakes. Isn't it, Lalit?
yes, it's a beautiful place. Today, we are going to start a musical journey together, a journey where most of you have never been before. In the next hour, Shafalika and I will take you on a tour of Jammu and Kashmir, the crown of India, with our soulful music. So let's begin. I am Lalit, a Dogra from Trikuta Hills of Jammu. Jammu is popularly known as the city of temples, as it has the maximum number of temples in northern India. I would like to start the show with a popular saying about Dogri and Dogras. Mithri hai Dogri di boli, te khand mithe log Dogre, which translates that Dogri language is an extremely sweet language and the Dogra people are as sweet as sugar. The first song I am going to play for you today talks about the Dogri and Dogras, their unique characteristics and charm. So let's begin the journey.
ओए मिठड़िए होए होए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे ओए मिठड़िए होए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे गल नहीं सार दे ते बोल नहीं आर दे गल नहीं सार दे ते बोल नहीं आर दे ओ जिंदे ने जबान तोली तोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे ओ मिठड़िए होए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे देवते दुआ लेंगी मखने ने पाल दे देवते दुआ लेंगी मखने ने पाल दे शिवें दे दुआर जल मने बदा टाल दे शिवें दे दुआर जल मने बदा टाल दे ते देवी अगी चाड़ देनी छिल्ली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे ओ देवी अगी चाड़ देनी छिल्ली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे ओए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे जो देते सूर में विद्वान कलाकारनी जो देते सूर में विद्वान कलाकारनी जम्मुए दे गले च फुले दे हारनी जम्मुए दे गले च फुले दे हारनी चित्तरी दी दिखी ले बुसोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे होए मिठड़िए होए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे होए बौलिए दे पानी ते पाड़िए दा खाना बौलिए दे पानी ते पाड़िए दा खाना दुधे दियां चाटियां ते टक टली आना दुधे दियां चाटियां ते टक टली आना ओ सिजी जंदी गुजरिए दी टोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे होए मिठड़िए होए मिठड़िए डोगरें दी बोली ते खंड मिठे लोक डोगरे ਚਾਂਦੀਏ ਦਾ ਤੋੜਾ ਤੇ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਬੁਲਾਕੜੂ ਚਾਂਦੀਏ ਦਾ ਤੋੜਾ ਤੇ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਬੁਲਾਕੜੂ ਮੰਡੀਏ ਦਾ ਮੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਗਿਆ ਕੜੂ ਮੰਡੀਏ ਦਾ ਮੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਗਿਆ ਕੜੂ ਦਿਖੇ ਦਾ ਬੰਦੂਕ ਖੋਲੀ ਖੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਲੋਕ ਡੋਗਰੇ ਓ ਮਿੱਠੜੀਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਮਿੱਠੜੀਏ ਡੋਗਰੇ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਲੋਕ ਡੋਗਰੇ ਓਏ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਦੇ ਤੇ ਬੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਵਾਰਦੇ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਦੇ ਤੇ ਬੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਵਾਰਦੇ ਜਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਬਾਨ ਤੋਲੀ ਤੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਲੋਕ ਡੋਗਰੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਮਿੱਠੜੀਏ ਹੋਏ ਮਿੱਠੜੀਏ ਡੋਗਰੇ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਲੋਕ ਡੋਗਰੇ
Lalit, that was such a lovely song. Brings back so many memories. So let's go to Kashmir now. As you know, everybody knows lots of Bollywood movies were shot there, and it's such a beautiful place. So
Indeed.
the next song that I'm going to present is a very famous song, Bumbaro Bumbaro. It was picturized on, I think it was Ritik Roshan and in the movie Mission
Pretty
Kashmir,
Zinta, yes.
and it's popular all over the country. But I'm going to present the authentic original version because not many people have heard that.
Oh, wow.
And you all are going to tell me whether you like the authentic version more or do you like the movie version more. So let's go over to Bumbaro Bumbaro.
Let's start.
What
Bumbaro,
Bumbaro
Bumbaro.
means, it's a bhavara. It's a bhavara.
A bee.
So bhavara bagiyan mein, you know, like the Hindi song bhavara bagiyan mein kya kar raha hai. So
Okay.
it's in Kashmiri. So we're still talking about the Bumbaro. Yeah.
Great. So let's listen to Bumro Bumro, but the original version.
आ
Wow, Shefalika, I would like to say that I love the original version. The Bollywood
Mm-hmm.
version is good, but original is original. What do
Me
you
too,
think?
me too.
Yeah. So here we had a bit of a flavor of Kashmir. So let me take you back to Jammu, the other region of Jammu and Kashmir, of course, as we discussed before. The next song I'm going to play with you is a very special song for us because it has been sung by Dr. Karan Singh, who is the ex-Sadr Riyasat of Jammu and Kashmir. He is fifth in line for the throne of Jammu and Kashmir when it was a kingdom. So Dr. Karan Singh is known for his singing as well. And the song which I'm going to play next actually talks about the Dogra Desh, which is the country was called as Dogra Desh before pre-independence. And he's talking about come see my Dogra Desh, see how the people are, what all is there to see in Jammu and Kashmir, talking about the Devis and Datis and goddesses who live in Jammu, who have their temples in Jammu and Kashmir. So it's a beautiful number to sing to. So let's listen to Dikh Mera Dogra Desh by Dr. Karan Singh.
दिखी ले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश
दिखिले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश
शेर मर दे दिया टानियां दिखी ले शेर मर दे दिया टानियां दिखी ले दुर्गे दा रूप जनानियां दिखी ले दुर्गे दा रूप जनानियां दिखी ले चंडी दे पेजो मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश दिखी ले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश
दिखिले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश
सैलिए तारे दी दुनिया दिखी ले सैलिए तारे दी दुनिया दिखी ले मौजे ते बार दी दुनिया दिखी ले मौजे ते बार दी दुनिया दिखी ले चंबा बलेस ओ मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश दिखी ले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश दिखी ले अमृत पी पिए पलदी दिखी ले अमृत पी पिए पलदी दिनों दिन चन्ने नहीं बददी फलदी दिनों दिन चन्ने नहीं बददी फलदी गोरी दी चढ़दी बरे सो मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश दिखी ले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखी ले डोगरा देश
दिखिले डोगरा देश ओ मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश
पर्वत नाग सो साधे दे दिखिले पर्वत नाग सो साधे दे दिखिले दूधे नहीं तवी ने खाधे दे दिखिले दूधे नहीं तवी ने खाधे दे दिखिले नागनियाले भले सो मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश दिखिले डोगरा देश मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश मानसर दिखिले सन्नसर दिखिले मानसर दिखिले सन्नसर दिखिले चन्न पुण्यदा कर कर दिखिले चन्न पुण्यदा कर कर दिखिले गंगे सराना दरे जो मित्रा दिखिले डोगरा देश दिखिले डोगरा देश मित्रा दिखिले
Lovely to hear Karan Singh ji, our Sardar Yasir. What a lovely voice. Brings back so many memories of Jammu. He is a great scholar of Vedanta, isn't he, Lalit?
Yes, he is.
So, let's go back to Kashmir now. And the next song we are going to play is another very popular song called Rind Poshmal. Again, like the first song, it was used in the movie Mission Kashmir again. They used lots of Kashmiri songs. But this is the original one. So it's a really peppy spring number, and it means let's welcome spring season with sweet tunes of music and love. So as soon as spring starts, people go out in the parks, mostly ladies, and start singing Rind Poshamal Gindane Drai Lolo.
Wow, beautiful. So let's move to the spring now.
शुभ शाबान जानी पूजाई लोलो शुभ शाबान जानी पूजाई लोलो रिंद पोषमाल गिंदने राई लोलो
Today, Rin Poshamal has taken back to Srinagar. It reminds me of the time in Shalimar Bagh and Nishad Bagh. Don't you think of the cherry blossoms and apple blossoms listening to this song, Shipalika ji?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I was just dancing to the tune.
Yes, though in UK we are coming up to winters, but at least this song has taken us back to spring season, and at least for a moment we were there in spring enjoying the full bloom. And what better than your own country and your own state, well, now union territory. So now let me take this journey further. And the next song I am going to play is a Dogri song, which is known as Balla Sipaiya Dogariya, and it has been sung by none other, the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar ji. And let me tell you a little bit about Dogras and this song. As most of you might know, Dogras are a martial race and they are warriors. And most of the people in each family, if not one, more than one, at least one, is in the armed forces. And this song is about a lover or a wife who's singing for her beloved who is in the army, and she's saying Bala Sipaya Dogariya, Rosliya Rosliya Tara, Tera Bada Manda Lagta, that I feel very sad without you. Why don't you come back? There is also mention of spring season in this song, where she says it's spring now, Banashke de full chuniya, means there's Banashke is a plant which is flowering now. Why don't you come and let's pluck those flowers together? So let's listen to Lata ji, Bala Sipaya Dogariya.
पलाश पाया डोगरिया ओ रसलिया रसलिया मारा तेरे सो रसलिया मारा तेरा बड़ा मंदा लगदा रसलिया रसलिया मारा तेरे सो रसलिया मारा तेरा बड़ा मंदा लगदा पलाश पाया डोगरिया ओ तारा दिया ले तेरे सो तारा दिया ले बनश कहंदे फुल चुनी जा तारा दिया ले तेरे सो तारा दिया ले बनश कहंदे फुल चुनी जा पलाश पाया डोगरिया ओ दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा तेरे सो दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा स्वामी रुत पवने दी पलाश पाया डोगरिया रसलिया मारा तेरे सो रसलिया मारा तेरा बड़ा मंदा लगदा तेरा बड़ा मंदा लगदा
Nice song. It's a universal theme, isn't it? Men going to the battlefield and females staying back. So let's cheer ourselves up a bit more and talk about the wedding season. In
Wow.
Kashmir, wedding season is extended days together, especially to welcome the groom. So the next song is about welcoming the bridegroom. Aakho Shehri Shirazo. You are from the Persian city of Shiraz, and I'm going to play the santoor, the tabla, the sitar, everything to welcome you. Yeah, it's quite a long song because ladies are dancing to it. They're welcoming him, garlanding the groom, and going around him in circles, dancing. So, Aakho Sheher Shirazo, Shok Chanwai Changnai Sazo, Aakho Sheher Shirazo. Let's play the song.
शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो
आखो शहर शिराजो आखो शहर शिराजो
हुर छे वनवान नूर महाराजो हुर छे वनवान नूर महाराजो
आखो शहर शिराजो आखो शहर शिराजो
शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो
आखो शहर शिराजो आखो शहर शिराजो
मल माज गुरत गुंद पूर्णी साजो ताजुन चाल विलाच जादो
ताजुन चोल विलाची जादो
मल माज गुरत गुंद पूर्णी साजो ताजुन चाल विलाच जादो
ताजुन चोल विलाची जादो ताजुन चोल विलाची जादो
वडी छुई शिमलत नल पेशवाजो वडी छुई शिमलत नल पेशवाजो
आखो शहर शिराजो आखो शहर शिराजो
शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो शोक चनवाए चंग नई साजो
आखो शहर शिराजो आखो शहर शिराजो खोल
मत साजो लल छे पूरित स्वर मत साजो
आखो शहरे शिराजो आखो शहरे शिराजो
शोक जानवाये चंग नहीं साजो शोक जानवाये चंग नहीं साजो
आखो शहरे
That was lovely. Going back to marriages, weddings in India are special everywhere, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Also,
absolutely.
just as you said about Kashmiri weddings, even Dogri weddings are a week long, but nowadays they have gone smaller because nobody can afford to have a week long wedding. But yes, in olden times there used to be a lot of things happening every day. The barat the groom's family used to be received a week before. So my next song, which is a very popular Dogri song, it's called Banku Deya Chachua. So what it is about is a mother is talking to the father of the child. The child is called Banku, and Chachua is the father, because in villages what happens is when the children grow up, they listen to their elder siblings calling their father Chacha, and they start calling their own father Chachu. So that's why she's singing Mere Banku Deya Chachua. She's complaining here that you go away for your job and you leave me behind here, and I have to deal with everything. She's talking about the universal problem, which is of mother-in-law and sister-in-law harassing her. So Jammu is also not away from that. So she's
Yes.
yeah, so she's mentioning here, Sasana namigi jinni dindiya, thande pani da kut peenni dindiya, which means that my mother-in-law and sister-in-law does not let me live in peace. They don't even allow me to drink a cold water, and I have to do all the household chores. So it's a beautiful number and sung very well and very peppy. So I hope you all will enjoy. Banku Deya
Wow.
Chachua.
आऊं गलानिया होय आऊं गलानिया है आऊं गलानिया सच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ आऊं गलानिया सच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ मिकी बिले चल कच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ मिकी बिले चल कच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ आऊं गलानिया सच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ अपुते टूरी गया नौकरी चाकरी अपुते टूरी गया नौकरी चाकरी मिकी फड़ाई गया पुरपा दातरी मिकी फड़ाई गया पुरपा दातरी कम्मे कन्ने तुत्ती जंदा लक वो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ कम्मे कन्ने तुत्ती जंदा लक वो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ आऊं गलानिया सच बो मड़े बांकू देया चाचुआ मिकी गलाई गया आई जंग अत्तरू मिकी गलाई गया आई जंग अत्तरू किरी किरी पौंदे मेरे अखियां दे अत्तरू किरी किरी पौंदे मेरे अखियां दे अत्तरू
Wow, there's such a lot of complaining going on there, isn't it, Lalit? But
Yes.
in a really sweet way. What a nice song. What a very lovely song. So, going from complaining, let's go to another of my personal favorite. I hope all the listeners are enjoying themselves. We'd love to get some feedback after this. So, the Kashmiri song I'm going to play here, it's, the Hindi song, Tune Kajal Lagaya Din Mein Raat
Yeah,
Ho Gayi. So,
Mumtaz
it's a
and
Kashmiri
Rajesh
version.
Khanna. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So it's the Kashmiri version of that, where the person is saying कि तूने सुरमा लगाया and मेरी रातों की नींद चली गई, and your black dresses, they remind me of a serpent. So it's on the same track as तूने काजल लगाया. It's sung by a very popular singer. I must tell you, he's passed away now, and Hassan Sofi. He was really popular there, and all his songs are my personal favorite. So I'm really hoping everybody enjoys the song. It's slightly slow, but the music is basically it's santoor and rabab. I'll talk about the musical instruments in some other session, but santoor is played in most of the songs in Kashmir, and especially in this song. So next song is Se log sarm cheshman.
चलो सर्म चश्मन न कुर्थम दिल बरी चिछी के सो परेशान न गई शहमानरी चलो सर्म चश्मन न कुर्थम दिल बरी चलो ये तीर मिजगान न दौर सीन कानन चलो ये तीर मिजगान न दौर सीन कानन न गई सद पार जिगरास चमा कोई बार खड़ी न गई सद पार जिगरास चमा कोई बार खड़ी चलो कुछ सर्म चश्मन न कुर्थम दिल बरी छक दिल की इस वक्त सठाश रुतब आनी चक दिल की इस वक्त सठाछ रुतबो आली सुलेमान जा कोटा चिची बर्तल सवली सुलेमान जा कोटा चिची बर्तल सवली चिची गे सो परेशान न गई शामागली अगर का हरन चश्मा तमीज
What a melodious, soothing voice, along with lovely instruments in the background. And you were absolutely right, Shafalika. It reminds me of Tumne Kajal Lagaya Dinne Raat Ho Gayi, the melodious song in which we had our beautiful, vivacious Mumtaz ji with Rajesh Khanna. So yeah, it did remind me of that song. So next we move back to Dogri song. We are back in Jammu, and in this song, which is a very popular song for DJs and discos these days, in every wedding it's played. This song is very recent. However, it is very peppy. And what it talks about is, as I told you, Dogras are a martial race, and there is a young army man who's come back to the city, and he is trying to woo a girl, and the girl is replying to him that तेरे कन्ने दिल किया लाया हो फौजी मुंडिया कल परदेसा चली जाना हो फौजी मुंडिया. So she's saying that I cannot love you, Fauji army man, because tomorrow you will go to another place and I would be left alone with your heart. So you better take your heart with you. I cannot love you. So let's listen to तेरे कन्ने दिल किया लाया.
तेरे कन दिल किया लाना वो फौजी मुंडिया चकल पर देसा चली जाना वो चकल पर देसा चली जाना वो तेरे कन दिल किया लाना वो फौजी मुंडिया. फौजा जाई ते भूल जाना वो फौजी मुंडिया फौजा जाई ते भूल जाना वो मैं तो कलिया खिया रहना वो मैं तो कलिया खिया रहना वो तेरे कन दिल खिया लाना वो फौजी मुंडिया. तेरा मेरा रिश्ता पुराना हो फौजी मुंडिया तेरा मेरा रिश्ता पुराना हो फोटो सीने कन लाना
What a nice peppy number. I was almost dancing to the tune, but at the same time felt a bit sorry for the lovely lady Now the next song is again one of my personal favorites. It's somebody's lover is not happy with her, and she's saying, "Come and meet me in the garden where there are cherry blossoms and apple blossoms, and I will look after you there." So this just reminds me, a lot of Kashmiri songs are about cherry blossoms, apple blossoms, flowers. That's nice, isn't it? I'm
It
feeling
is.
very nostalgic. So she's almost enticing him to a cherry blossom tree, and telling him, when you come there, I'll talk to you, I'll pep you up, I'll bring up your morale if you're feeling unhappy. So the song is Dimio Dilas Gandio Las Partho Gilas Kulmi Tal. Gilas is a cherry. In Kashmiri, cherries are called glass. And Kulmi Tal is underneath a cherry blossom tree. So over to you, over to this song, Dimio Dilas.
दिमयो दिलास गंडियो वलास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल दिमयो दिलास गंडियो वलास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल लाल फल म्यान वल थो खास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल लाल फल म्यान वल थो खास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल दिमयो दिलास गंडियो वलास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल लाल छे ललवान पोपते मास वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल लाल छे ललवान पोपते मास वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल वनवान द्राय मजंबर जल त्रेटिमाल गरियो लचते सास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल त्रेटिमाल गरियो लचते सास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल दिमयो दिलास गंडियो वलास पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल पुरथो गिलास कुल नीतल
how lovely. I could visualize in my mind how she's cajoling her lover. She's trying to win him back over. It was a lovely song indeed, Shefali.
Yeah, it was really nice, isn't it? We've had a really good time, Lalit, haven't we?
Yes,
And I'm
indeed.
hoping the audience have liked the songs as well. We would love to get some feedback from our audience.
I,
And Lalit, that also reminds me that we've got a good wedding song collection, haven't we?
yes, in fact, I was thinking this as well because you played a wedding song, and I thought, why not let's do a special program which only where we can showcase Dogri and Kashmiri wedding songs. So let's do that in the future.
Yes, that will bring a bit of cheer to the current lockdown atmosphere as well, and we can visualize going to weddings, if not physically, then through the radio.
Yes, physically going to the weddings is a long story now, but we have to be safe. We have to stay indoors, guys, as today we have seen that corona cases are going up. Let's all be safe. Let's all try and protect ourselves, our near and dear ones, and that is the only way forward.
Yes, and keep wearing the masks and keep listening to BHF radio. We'll come back with some lovely songs, and throughout the week we are having this Desh Ki Khushbu program, isn't it? We've got lovely,
Yes.
lovely songs all through the week,
So
and we'll carry on.
every day between 8 and 9, you get a flavor of somewhere or the other in India. So everybody who is in love with music, is in love with variety, has to tune in every day on a weekday and weekend from 8 to 9. BHF Radio has given this platform to showcase the vibrant India. It's music which is as colorful, as beautiful as India itself. So let's make the most of it and be here every evening enjoying this journey together. What do you say, Shifalika ji?
Yes, but today from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, it's good night and have a safe day. Take care, all of you. Thank you, Lalit. It was lovely seeing you again today.
Same here, and from my side as well. Thank you. Good night, everybody. Do leave us your feedback, and we will be back again to entertain you and take you to the journey into Jammu and Kashmir very soon next week, Friday, same time, same place. Good night. Shabak hai.
Good night. Namaste.